Alright, so we're going to take these and we're going to warm them on both sides. So this is what they look like. You use garlic butter, or if you don't have garlic butter, you could just use regular butter. So just melt that in there, and then we'll take these and do both sides. And then, like I said, once you let them cool down, you can use them for anything: breakfast, lunch, any kind of sandwich, pizza. And these are good to keep in your van. Like, I opened the one side, you see that, and still the other one is sealed. So these are good for camping, RV life, van life, and they're great with kids. So to do recipes with kids. So we're going to melt this down, and then we're going to put it in there. Alright, so our butter is done. Now we're going to take these and do two at a time. If you got a big pan, you could do more. So just keep spinning these around, and when we get them to a certain thing, we'll flip them over. But like I said, you could see these, look, all the nooks and crannies, and you can use them for so many things. If you don't want to use the pan, toaster oven, regular toaster, whatever you want. Alright, so we're done with that. You can see that they're brown. I don't want to do it too much, and this is what the back side looks like. So these things make for like a good recipe. So we're going to use this throughout a couple different recipes. See you soon. YouTube, this is the last recipe for the crumpets. Really quick pizza crumpets. We're going to end it with this one. Like, we will revisit revisit this in the future and make other creations, but for now this is going to end it. So I got the crumpets already done. You've seen it in the previous video. Pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, and even with pizza, a lot of places use oregano. And basically also with this recipe, this is all leftovers. I got leftover pepperoni from the Italian sub thing. I got this cheese left over from previous recipe, and also the pizza sauce. So basically, this is also leftover meal. So with these things, after you make them, you could put them in like freezer bags like this and freeze them. So we're gonna start by throwing some pizza sauce down, and we're gonna throw some oregano on top, and then we'll put the mozzarella and the pepperoni. And like I always say, if we were not filming this and going step by step, you'd have it done within 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so you have the pizza sauce down there. And look at like the things from the garlic butter. You got that char there, it's really nice. So we're going to take oregano, and we're going to put some oregano on there. Oregano is really good for any tomato product, anything Italian. So put the oregano on there, and now we're going to top it with this cheese, and then pepperoni. And then with this, you could either put it in the microwave and melt it, toaster oven, your regular oven on a pizza stone, whatever suits your house. Alright YouTube, so got the pizza cheese on there. Next, since this is big pepperoni, we're just going to plop one piece on there. And after that, I'm going to throw mine in the microwave, but like I said, do whichever way that's best for you and your taste. Alright, so we have that pepperoni, and we're going to plop that on there. So like I said, it might not look gourmet, but I'm telling you, this is looking good, and this is tasting good, and kids will definitely love this. And like, even with this, like, after you melt it, you could flip these on top of each other and have a big pizza sandwich. So let me throw them in the microwave, and then we're done. Alright YouTube, there you have it, your Crumpet pepperoni pizzas. I think out of the series of crumpets, I like this one the best, the pizza, but everyone loves pizza. I tasted that egg one, and that was really good. That'd be great for breakfasts. That'd be good to make it. Make a bunch of those up and then freeze them, and then you could take them out for your breakfast each day, or whatever days you want. But there you have it. Look at that pepperoni and that cheese. And like I said, if you want it, you could flip this over and have a pizza sandwich. But thanks for taking the journey. For now, we're definitely done with crumpet recipes, and they're definitely worth checking out to see if you can get them. So look at that. Cannot go wrong with that. I can tell you kids would love this. So thanks for visiting my channel. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, and like I said, I'll bring you on 2 to 3 uploads a week, and we're going to take the journey trying different creations and different food. Peace. Love you, Dan Soy, aka Batman.